50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Okay, here goes. My first Q&A. The question would be, who's my biggest influence? That would be Michael Winslow. He was the guy who showed me that you can combine comedy and sound effects and just create something unique and truly spectacular. Oh, I forgot the what up rockers part. Okay, let's do it again. What up rockers? Alright, I'm just, what's going on?
What's up, Rudy, man? What's up, rockers? What up, y'all? I'm busy. Keep talking.
Okay, yo, 50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say.
50,000 subscribers? You serious?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah.
You need more subscribers.
I need more subscribers.
I'm busy, man. I'm busy.
What you doing?
I'm trying to get the show ready, man.
Oh, you're having a show now?
Yeah.
In Finland. What am I doing here?
I don't know. I'm mopping the floor.
You're mopping the floor. Okay. Those are my shoes. Those are my shoes.
Sorry.
50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Alright. See you rockers in the next video. There's gonna be a lot more.
Man, we gotta go to work, man. What you doing, man? Come on, 50,000 rockers, come to the show or something, man. But we gotta work.
I'm opening for Michael Winslow.